What up, my Lowheat sneakerheads? Have another pair of definitely Lowheat sneakers that came in recently, and you know the drill. We are unboxing. That's what just happened here. I unboxed it for you. So I got these from the one and only CCS. I am a CCS Plus member. This is not a plug for them. I've been signed up over a year and a half, and this is my third raffle win from them. So it does work. That being said, I have a friend who's also been signed up for, at this point, a year, and he has not hit on a single CCS raffle. So don't buy it and then come complaining to me. I'm just saying it worked for me. Hasn't worked for him yet. But I hit a W on the Atmos SB Dunks and the Strawberry Cough SB Dunks. Have unboxing videos of those. And now I just hit on the Strawberry Cough Dunks. As you know, those just came out like semi-recently. And then lo and behold, I signed up for this one. You know, you sign up for every SB Dunk drop. But I didn't expect to be hit so soon. So I don't know, you know, I guess it's truly random. So today we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in black, cool gray, and black. These retail for $100, and I got them a size 11.5. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna take a look at these, but I'll tell you right out of the gate that it's not like I was like really trying to get these or really dug these by the pictures. I just, you know, you sign up for every SB Dunk. That's the world we live in, where we sign up for every single Nike SB Dunk because they're going to be sold out and be worth more than retail. And they're popular. That being said, I do like them, and we'll see how much I like them here. So let's do this. Oh, while I still have you, subscribe. Okay, thank you. I always do that. There's all the info there. Okay, check those out. These are pretty clean. Like 99% of all shoes, these are better almost in hand right away than the pictures. I guess just 3D objects do things justice better than just some like tiny image on your phone. These are really nice, really clean. Gotta say, I'm not a, just first glance, I'm not a big black sneaker guy. I don't have a ton in my collection. And I'm not a huge suede guy. But these are pretty clean. And maybe that's a reason to keep these, right? I don't have a ton of black sneakers, so, you know, it's always good to have a pair or a couple. Let's check out the other ones. So these are not a collab. These are just a general release. I'm sure you know that, but just saying it right now. And comes with an extra pair of laces, gray laces. If you watched any of my videos, I generally like contrasting laces like this that match the swoosh. But for these, I think I would keep in the black laces. I kind of like that clean all black look. So for me, I'm sticking with the black laces to begin with. These do match the swoosh. So the swoosh, I think, is supposed to be 3M. Let's see if we can get verification on that. I mean, I know they are, but I'm just saying for the camera, you know. That's all I'm saying. Let's see here. Let's get a flashlight on, see if that kind of shows up in the video. I'm not sure if that shows up in the video. It'd be like 3M paint, right? Because obviously, like, is that reflective at all? Kind of is. Kind of is. It's not quite as reflective as, say, you know, these Air Max 90 Mars landing ones. I did an unboxing video of these. These are like straight up 3M. But the swoosh isn't like these that I got on. This shiny silver. I'll turn off this flashlight for a sec now. They're different. This is a muted 3M, and this is just like your reflective metallic swoosh. I got these on a Black Friday sale used for a really decent price from Meg Park, in Burbank. Shouts to them. Shouts to Mag Park. These are sick. Should have got these when they're, you know, way cheaper, pre-dunk craze. But the price that I got these for was sub 300. So, you know, that's not bad at all. So, didn't feel bad. That's why I scooped these. Anyways, back to these things. So, yeah, they got the Zoom Air insole. Sizing on these, like I've said, if you watch any of my SB Dunk videos, for me personally, I can go my, you know, true to size, but I don't mind on SBs going half size up because of the extra padding. You see all the reinforced padding for skating. Just makes it tighter around your foot, lengthwise, and, you know, lengthwise, true to size is fine. But just, they, you know, everything hugs your foot tighter with all that padding. So if you don't like that, I suggest going half size up, or you're just gonna, it's gonna take a bit to wear them in, and you just lace them a little looser if you're not truly skating these, you know. Even if you are truly skating these, you know, a lot of people like slimmer profile shoes. You know, some people skate in Dunks, but even if you are skating in these, I'd probably go true to size just so that, you know, you don't want an even bigger foot. Anyways, I'm not a real skater. Anyone who's actually skating knows this stuff, so. So yeah, next I would say on the resale value of these, I'm kind of surprised. I looked it up right before the video. Now that these dropped, I think they're still trickling out. There's still some shops that are getting their supply, but I think the majority, over half the shops have probably got them and distributed them by this point. Resale on these is a little more than I expected. So in this size on StockX on 11.5, my size, the highest bid is 220, which is a little higher. I think in a lot of my most recent videos, I've talked about a little bit of dunk fatigue, market saturation, etc., etc. A lot of supply of shoes. Maybe we're kind of getting to the top of the shoe hype, at least for this little era. And so prices are kind of coming down across the board. But so I was expecting these to be at, like, you know, in the 170 range, you know, definitely above retail, but like anywhere from 150 to like 180. So I was pretty surprised when I saw all the prices over 200 on these. I guess it's a clean colorway, right? Very clean colorway with the gum bottoms, all black suede on top, and the 3M swoosh. You know, people love 3M stuff. So I guess when I think about it, it makes sense, but I was a little surprised off the rip. Let's try one of these on to begin with, and then we'll talk about maybe styling them for a second, how I would. So don't mind the socks. Like, yes, these are Penguin, probably J. Crew socks that I've had for 5 years, but you know, sometimes people just have to wear normal socks. This may be a hype beast channel, but I just can't wear fire socks every single day, 365. It's not going to happen. So, you know, if you want to flame me in the comments, go ahead. But, you know, a dude just needs to wear some regular socks for once. You can't just always be wearing Stance or fucking Supreme socks. So yeah, I apologize for the Penguin, the fucking dopey Penguin socks. But, you know, just a regular dude. Okay, so speaking of styling, so no, I would not suggest you wear Penguin J. Crew socks with these. But here's what they look like on foot, though. Just like everything, on foot, these are even better. There's only a handful of shoes that I've put on foot where they've gotten worse. The Nike SB Gattos are one of those pairs, or just Nike Gattos. Indoor soccer shoe that look sick silhouette on the shelf, but when I put them on and I look at them, I'm like, my foot looks like a hot dog in them, like a fat hot dog, and I don't even have that fat of feet. So that's the one pair of shoes where they look worse on foot. These look pretty clean. The more and more I handle these, the more I'm tempted to keep them. I say that in every video, but you know, that's just deal with it. So yeah, I'm liking them. I'm liking them more and more. I do need a pair of black shoes. Don't have many. I love 3M just like most of you out there. So I'm a sucker for 3M. I'm thinking I like them. So here, I could, you know, you could pair them with like a 3M nice Nike running jacket. I got this for a steal, brand new on eBay. Sometimes you get some good stuff on eBay for not too bad. So that could be a fit. Nike running jacket with these, maybe, even though these aren't runners. And that's the only reason I wouldn't wear them with this jacket, Nike jacket. I also got this brand new on eBay for a steal. For the retail price is like crazy. And then like the only listing left of this is like crazy. This is just a Nike 3M soccer training jacket. You know, kind of wind and water resistant, but I think it's dope, and I got it for a really good price. I could also wear these shoes with this, but again, I like wearing this type of thing, this athletic training jacket with a runner. Even though these aren't like obviously true runners, it's a running silhouette at least. So those are like my main 2 3M pieces for jackets, and I don't know if I'd wear them with these, but I would say if you have like kind of plain shoes like this, like all black, I do then tend to go a little crazier with the t-shirt or the tops. When I have crazy shoes like this, I tend to go more subdued with the pants and the tops, because these are going to speak for themselves, and I'm fine with these getting all the attention. If I'm wearing these, no one's noticing these as much except sneakerheads, so I go a little crazier on the top. So that's my thoughts on styling those. Even though these aren't my type per se, they're growing on me. I give these for a rating. Let's see here. I just unboxed. What did I just unbox? What did I just pick up? Oh, the ACG Plum Dunks. Check that unboxing video. I just unboxed those, and I think I gave those a 7.5 or 7.75. So I don't like these as much as those, but I've come up. I was about to give these a 6 something. I think, well, I'm going to give them a high 6. I'm not going to give them a 7, but I'm going to give these a 6.75. These grew on me. I was going to give these just a straight up 6. But now in hand, on foot, that's what I'm giving them, 6.75. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I have more unboxings to do, more videos. I'm going to be putting out more wear reviews because, I'm running out of shoes to buy. So I'm going to put out some more wear reviews. Appreciate all your support. We're at 630 subscribers, which is kind of wild. Since I started this just over a year ago. So that's cool. Appreciate all you watching, and appreciate all you subscribers.